Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You will begin by confirming prerequisites: your Payoneer credentials, access to the registered email or phone, and Google Authenticator installed on your mobile. Once done, sign into Payoneer and navigate to Settings, then Security, and select two-step verification. Make sure to choose the app option, not SMS, because the app provides better offline codes. Tap to link a new device and you'll see a QR code. Keep Payoneer open so you can complete the next step immediately. You will now link the accounts. Open Google Authenticator and tap the plus icon to scan the QR code displayed by Payoneer. If your camera fails, choose manual entry and type the provided secret key exactly, because spacing and characters matter. Once the account appears in the app, it generates a 6-digit code that refreshes every 30 seconds. Immediately type that 6-digit code back into Payoneer and submit to verify. After verification, you'll see confirmation and recovery options. Note them. Finish by saving Payoneer's recovery codes in a secure place, such as a password manager or a printed copy stored safely. This step prevents lockout. Once saved, sign out and sign back in to test that the app-provided 6-digit codes allow access. If you ever see invalid codes, resync the time on your phone. Google Authenticator relies on accurate device time, and try again or use a recovery code. If problems persist, contact Payoneer support and provide account verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.